Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
6 at-home remedies to ease your sore throat. Salt water. While salt water may not provide you with immediate relief, it is still an effective remedy for killing bacteria while loosening mucus and easing pain. Honey, lemon, hot sauce, tea, humidifier, the 10th of November 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can also elevate the head of your bed or prop your head up on pillows or a sleeping wedge to reduce acid regurgitation into your throat during the night. If a bacterial infection is the cause of your throat pain, your doctor will prescribe an antibiotic.
Let's help you make your mark.
2. Antibacterial mouthwash can only reduce the amount of bacteria in the mouth. When used daily, antibacterial mouthwash can actually help control the amount of bacteria in the mouth by killing the bacteria in the mouth, but they are not effective in relieving a sore throat if it is of a viral cause. 15 January 2018.
Take our lead.
Sore throat remedy. Sore throats are often caused by bacterial infections. Since hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria, gargling with hydrogen peroxide can help ease the discomfort of a sore throat by killing the bacteria in the mouth and the throat. 17 April 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.